So my cat is great, but unfortunately she chewed up my headset cable. So you can see there's some nicks here, some tears, and it's not working. So I'm going to go through the process of making the repairs to this headset. In the end, the headset will look just like this with a strong connection on the end of it. So the tools you'll need are some cutters, electrical tape, a soldering iron, and some solder, DMM, some kind of vise, scissors, precision screwdriver set, and a pair of wire strippers. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my meter out and check each of the connections on the audio jack and see where they terminate, what color wire it is, and I'll make a map of each wire and where it goes to. So I've got this table here of each wire, and I've done that process for the old cable and for the new cable. So for example, spot 0 on the jack. Well, spot 0, it used to be a white color wire that went to spot 0. And now on the new cable, it's a red wire. So what that looks like here on the old wiring, that's the white wire right there. And on the new wiring, it's now a red wire. Rinse and repeat for all of the other colors of wire. The only exception is that the gold, blue, and green wire used to be 3 separate grounds. But on the new cable, the manufacturer decided to go with a single ground. So what I did was I just spliced 3 wires into the black wire and carried the grounds on the spots that they used to go to. So now I'm going to screw the headset into a vise. I'm going to pull off the foam padding. I'll get out my precision screwdriver set. I'll pull out these 3 screws. This gives me access to remove that piece and get it out of the way. I'll slide up the mic so I can get access to the 4th screw, and I'll move everything out of the way so I have access to the wires. I'll desolder each of the wires. Now I'm going to cut my new cable, strip a portion of it so I have access to the wires, strip and tin the wires, and I spliced on these 3 blue wires to carry the ground. Wrap it up with some electrical tape, and now I'll use that map that I made earlier to solder on the wires where they need to go. Lastly, I'll just wrap it up with some self-vulcanizing tape, and that'll give a nice strong permanent hold. Now to put it back together, I'll put the foam on. And that's it, a nice strong connection on my headset. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.